Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show you how to remove background from images and from videos. For those of you that love reacting on people's videos on Facebook, Instagram, even on TikTok, there is need for you to remove your background from the videos you are using to react on people's videos. I hope you understand me. Let's say you are using video to react on somebody's video. If you don't remove your background, you are going to see something like this. But remove your background, you will see an image of something like this. So in this video, let me show you how to do this using your smartphone. So please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Please subscribe to our channel and let me share my screen with you. To remove background from any image, go to your Chrome browser and search for background remover. This one in particular, remove background. Click on it, it's going to open, and then scroll down and click on this upload image. It's going to take you to your phone gallery, and then you're going to you will choose the image or the picture you don't like the background, so you can change it. So click on any image and it's going to load to the site, and then automatically it's going to remove your background, and then use this download button to download it. If you want to remove background from your videos, the same thing, go to Chrome browser and search for on screen. Open the site and use the same process. Upload your videos and it's going to remove the background for you. You can also do that using this remove background. Use remove background to remove background from videos. You can also remove background from your videos using CapCut app. CapCut. So if you open your CapCut, you click on the videos you want to remove the background. It's going to load, and then click on this remove background. You're going to see auto remove, you're going to see custom, and you're going to see chroma. So if you click on this auto remove, the video background is going to automatically remove. If you click on custom, you're going to see you'll be given a tool to use to edit, to remove it, to crop the video so that the background will no longer be visible, and then the chroma the same thing. So use this tool down here to remove your background from any videos at all, and then if you are done, you click on export up there and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Thank you.